Everything on Mutuum is on chain, fully visible and full of trust. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. With Mutuum, we are talking about a decentralized, transparent protocol. All loans, deposits, and actions are recorded on chains. It has been trusted from some of the biggest crypto websites around the globe and some of the biggest exchanges. It has been audited already from third parties like CertiK, and we are talking about a model with smart contracts of the latest technology. There are no backdoors and no admin keys. Also, users can audit everything independently on Mutuum. Mutuum, the way that it's built and the smart contracts they created, it's aligned with the decentralized finance principles of transparency. We are talking about a DeFi project with open documentation and dashboards. You have live data feeds and analytics accessible to everybody. You have community access to protocols, metrics. And also, something that I've seen for the first time is that Mutuum has a bug bounty program for their community. What does that mean? It means that the community is incentivized to search the APIs, the smart contracts, the tokens, mechanisms, everything. And if they identify a bug in the system, they actually report it back to Mutuum's team and they get rewarded. That shows you that they care for potential bugs to make sure the security of the protocol. Their goal is to have high security with high liquidity and give high profitability to its lenders. And they found the way, they cracked the code on how to do it. They have as a goal to always have lenders' capital protected. At the same time, tokens with lower liquidity demand more conservative interest rates parameters in order to reduce the risk of, sudden utilization spikes. So they achieve this with their two unique models. Number one, the peer-to-contract model, where they connect lenders and borrowers via a shared liquidity pool. That way they boost capital efficiency. Now the depositors, they earn interest on the supplied funds, and the borrowers, they provide over-collateralized collateral. That way they ensure stability. And the rates are adjusted dynamically based on the usage of that pool. At the same time, they have a peer-to-peer model for more volatile and speculative assets. Now, the peer-to-peer model is also unique because they designed it as a dedicated marketplace where users explore a wider range of trades. That approach enables the inclusion of assets, typically that are avoided in a P2C environment due to their higher risk. And you can read everything that I shared with you today by clicking the link down in the description. Everything is on chain, visible, transparent, so you can read the documents, the roadmap, everything. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you have any questions, comment them below and we will cover them for you. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos that will definitely help you in your cryptocurrencies journey. That's all for now. Thank you so much.